Hey everybody. Now I'm going to talk about how Cube Computer Company got started. First, I'll let you know, if you go to my channel and click on the featured tab over here, which, if you click on the Cube Computer channel link, it should take you directly to this, and you'll see about Cube Computer Company over here. This is just a little quick summary about how Cube Computer got started. Basically, Cube Computer was established in 2006, and I moved into the online video field in 2007. I started out with a YouTube channel called Byte Geek CCP. I had computer tech videos here. I had weather videos here, just all sorts of stuff. And in late 2009, I decided to come up with the idea of having just a separate channel just for computer videos, and I decided to call it Cube Computer Channel. Anyways, on this feature tab, if you go down here below where it says post a channel comment, you'll see a link here, a Facebook link. This is how Cube Computer got started. Click on that and it'll take you to this. Basically, let me go and summarize how Cube Computer got started. As you may notice, the title here kind of gives you an idea. Back in 2005, I moved to Huntersville, North Carolina, and I started going to Hopewell High School. And when I started going to Hopewell High School, I found out that they had a class called Computer Engineering 1. And ever since I was a little kid, I've always been interested in computers and stuff. I mean, it wasn't really until I was a teenager that I really started to get really interested in computers, how they worked and stuff. I did know how that actually, I did know the basic components of computers ever since I was a little kid. But, like I say, in the 2000s when I was a teenager, it became very interesting to me. And Hopewell High School, the class they offered was icing on the cake because it really got me started into computers and technology. And I took Computer Engineering 1, which more or less taught me the basics about computers and how they work. It was a pretty fun class. I mean, this article here summarizes it pretty well. Basically, this writing here was actually an assignment for my English writing class in college. And I think I wrote this back in 2010. I posted it to my Facebook page more or less when I created it back in May of 2011. And like I say, this is a very good article. I highly recommend that you read it. Anyways, back to the point here. Now I'll tell you about how I come up with the name Cube Computer Company. Back in 2006, it was the spring of 2006. Mr. Healy, the teacher in the class, had a whole bunch of plexiglass slabs loaded on the back table in the room. And these plexiglass slabs are rectangular sheets, and they had two different sizes. They had big sheets and little sheets. I mean, was kind of wondering what this was for when we first walked into the class, but Mr. Healy then announced that we was going to be using these pieces of plexiglass to build one-of-a-kind cube computers. Now, these computers aren't actually shaped like a cube, but if you look at one from the side or front, it kind of resembles a cube in a way. But he called these things cube computers, and when I built mine, I called it the Cube Computer 1. In early 2007, this computer became known as the Cube Computer Plexi on YouTube. And it was February 2007 that I created my first YouTube channel, which was Byte Geek CCP. I created it in February 2007. And the first video I uploaded to that channel was a video of that computer. And you can see it's a video review on the channel. And I'll go ahead and show it to you, just where it's at. When you go over to the videos tab, go over here to date added and click oldest to newest. And here's the video right here. It says Cube Computer Plexi Reviews, March 16, 2007. Hard to believe it was almost 5 years ago. Anyways, in 2007, I started building other machines, and it wasn't until 2007 that Cube Computer Company originally got its name. I didn't really have a name for this hobby, but until 2007. But I really started this in 2006. So that's why I say that Cube Computer Company was established in 2006. And basically, Cube Computer is no actual big company or anything. It's just a hobby of mine for computers and technology and stuff on YouTube. I had this Facebook page, and I actually do some repairs, and I build computers for local people in Huntersville, North Carolina. So anyways, I highly recommend you go read this article. It's pretty neat. It summarizes how the entire class went from Computer Engineering 1 to Engineering 2 to what happened later on. So basically what happened was, in general, I took Computer Engineering 1, finished that. Cube Computer Company was started when I built the Plexi computer. And in 2008, I took Computer Engineering 2, learned about Windows, all that sort of stuff. And after that, in late 2008, my computer engineering teacher was killed in a car wreck. Rest in peace, Michael Healy. Anyways, I highly recommend you go view this article. It's pretty neat. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask.